Hello everybody! Today is the International Day of World Subculture. There are a lot of different subcultures in our city Karaganda. That's why today we want to tell you some kind of subcultures of our city, its value and history. You are welcome!
Hello guys, I'm a goth. Do you want to ask me what is goth? It is basically indefinable, because goth means different things to each follower. Many adopt unusual fashions in order to separate themselves from other youth. The subculture originally intended the song to be tongue-in-cheek, however many young fans latched onto this mysterious, eerie sound and inspiration for the budding gothic subculture. The first generation of the gothic movement emerged mostly in the UK in the late 70s as a splinter from the punk movement. Bands like The Damned and the Bauhaus characterized the first generation. Goths tend to be non-violent, passive, and tolerant. Many goths write about being depressed. Our values are art, creativity. We are very artistic creatures. Of course music, because the subculture was basically born from the music, love the darker aesthetic. Individuality. Goths like to do things like read such and such a book because they want to. Knowledge. I don't if I can elaborate on this. Just that most Goths are usually well-read, open-minded, enjoy learning, and so am I.
Hello, I am a representative of hip-hop subculture. Hip-hop grew in awareness and popularity by being played at house parties, basement parties, and on the streets of New York. DJ Hollywood and DJ Africa are known for fabricating the term hip-hop. The hip-hop subculture is a universal culture that promotes diversity among its audience. The hip-hop subculture has a great influence among teens of all ethnicities. Teens are persuaded through the hip-hop music to rebel against their parents. Our subculture is based on music. The most famous hip-hop artist was Tupac Shakur. He was my idol. And of course dance. There are many different styles of hip-hop dance. Some of the main ones include breaking dancing, popping, locking, old school, new school, house, cramping. My favorite style is breaking. And I like my look. We usually wear snapback hats, baggy pants and expensive sneakers. It's very comfortable and stylish.
Hello everybody, I am a rocker. I am member of a subculture that started in the United Kingdom. In the 60s, among motorcycle riding youth, we were known of motorcycle, but then our subculture became associated with a specific music genre and clothing style. We wore heavily decorated leather motorcycle jackets, often adorned with metal stats, patches and sometimes pin badges. I like wearing dark leather jeans and ride a motorcycle with my friends. I am fond of rock music. There are a lot of bright representatives among us. There were many rockers such as Chuck Berry, Bo Diddley and Elvis Presley. Oh, Elvis Presley, I love him! And the famous rock groups are Beatles, Rolling Stone, AC/DC, Rammstein, Linkin Park. I adore going to the concerts and have fun with my friends. Rock is my life.
Hello, I'm Ted. I love my subculture, but its history wasn't so beautiful. The subculture that was emerging originally from Britain in 1950s, the years after the war, typified by the style of upper class yet who want a change to change inside of austerity imposed by the society, wearing garments which was designed for the show the parent generation. To society, Teds are labeled as anyone who caused in trouble and smokers. They usually gathered in the dance halls, hide in the bar, hanging around of the group were drawn edition by the society. Nowadays everything has changed. We love to look stylish and beautiful. We buy fashion clothes and look smart. Look at me, I'm so beautiful. We are for a healthy lifestyle, not only for a beautiful face but also the soul.
The long hair, jeans, jewelry, bright colors. Peace in the world, it is all of us. I am a hippie. Hippie, this is a subculture that changed the usual way of life in the 60s. Subculture of hippies came to America is a consequence of a strong economic recovery. Children of the secured class had an opportunity instead of everyday routine activities to do nothing. They traveled, singing, drawing, dancing, painted pictures while turning the concept of life and their own and others. We are children of flowers. The most important thing for us: no violence, no war. We are for peace in the world. We have our truth. People should be free. Achieving freedom is possible only by changing the internal structure of the soul. The beauty and freedom are identical to each other and to the implementation of the two. A purely spiritual communion with himself. Make love, not war.
Hey guys, we're in the center of Bushaktisk.
And now we would like to introduce you some representatives of rock subculture.
It's Karkandaro group. They are here now. Come on. Hi Max, what's up?
Hi, I'm fine.
Tell us about your subculture. Is it your lifestyle or hobby?
Rock is my life. We live and own this.
Great. What's your group's name?
Niagara Group.
Do you have your favorite rock group?
Yes, I do. My favorite group is Metallica.
Okay, can you play something for us?
Yes, of course.
As you can see, any subculture can exist in our lovely city, Karaganda.
Rock forever!
Our subcultures.
Our idea was to show our unity.
It doesn't matter who are you, God and rocker. We are the children of one world.
Let's make love, not war.
There comes a time when we hear the certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can walk, pretending day by day, that someone, somewhere, something can change. We hold on, God's great.